Now the meeting is called to order.
National anthem. Now I request all of you to stand for the national anthem as per the Rotary practice. May I request all of you to stand for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
By the candle ready so that we can stand and light our candle.
मैंने ये कथा कही करिए रिक्वेस्ट करिए
So I now request Rotarian Prashant Kumar Mahapatra to kindly welcome the guests, Rotarians, Innerville members, Rotaractors and Interactors and all other guests. Thank you.
Good evening to all. This pandemic has left us with no option but to engage ourselves on a virtual platform. I welcome you all to this digital gathering. Rotary Club of Cuttack Central is observing its 28th installation ceremony today. Rotary believes that leader changes, but leadership never changes. Similarly, the theme of Rotary International changes according to the Rotary International President. Last year, the theme was Rotary Connects the World. For this year, theme is Rotary Opens Opportunity. But the motto, service above self, is continued forever. Every year in Rotary, at the midnight of 1st July, the leaders changes. From 1st July, are changed, but today is only a ceremony. The leaders of 2020-21 are called as smiling leaders because with these leaders, Rotary will continue to grow, to change, to couple, behalf of IPS. We are truly precious presence. I welcome District Governor, Rotarian Dr. Soumya Misra, First Lady, Assistant Governor, Dr. Uttam Sahu, Past District Rotarian Dilip Kumar Patnaik, Shivabrata Das. I also welcome Mrs. Sandhya Misra, District Treasurer of Innerville District 326, the past District Chairman of Innerville District. President, I also welcome President and Secretary of and also the Innervillains. I welcome Rotarians, members, rotors, interactors, member of our RCC Barda. Due to the digital, it is not possible on my to acknowledge each and everyone. I would like to extend a warm welcome to one and all. I also welcome Past President Shikha Khuntia, Innerview Club of Bhubaneswar Radiant. Past President Mr. Gauri Misra, Innerview Club of Bhubaneswar Ekama. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Prasant Kumar Mahapatra, for welcoming all our guests. Now it is the time for us to you release our special Mahanadi bulletin. This bulletin is published by the club every month, and also annually there is a booklet being published. But on the occasion of the installation ceremony, a special bulletin Mahanadi has been released today. So for the benefits of the members and others, we release this bulletin for the glory of the God. Thank you. We can give a clap. We can give a clap for those who have never had for this work. Thank you. Now it is time for us to hear from our outgoing president, Rotarian Bidut Kumari Lala, who has heard a lot and had a good experience in serving the Rotary and the community. We would like to hear a few minutes, a short word from her. Madam, please you speak few words to us to encourage us.
Jai Jagannath. Good evening to everybody. Namaskar. Of the evening, Dr. Soumya Misra, IPS, Additional DG, Police, dear incoming President Shivashish 2020-21, respected PDG, HG, President and Secretaries of different clubs, Rotary and inaugural members, guests, ladies, gentlemen, and members of instructor and rotators, press and media. Finally, the term 2019 and 20 has ended. What a year it has been. Rigorous education, human services, meetings, functions, celebration, extremely hectic, but ended with profound pleasure and satisfaction. Indeed, a memorable year. All of you know that for Corona, we have joined with this Zoom meeting, rendering full justice to the year's theme, Rotary connects the world. Rotary makes man, and Rotary always inspires us to do good things, to be good and to do good things are the main motive of Rotary. Everything was possible for the most glorifying, dynamic, talented Rotary District Governor, CA Debashish Misra's hearty cooperation and guidance, and the sincere support of each and every member of our club. For the same, I have extended my deep gratitude to all. I congratulate the incoming president and his team for a very successful year ahead. Thanking you, long live Rotary, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinam, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Paschantu, Ma Kafi Tukram. Namaskar.
Thank you, madam, for your inspiring message, short and very sweet, beautiful, and we are so grateful to you for the same. Now it is time for us to see your speech into action, that the club acted tremendously during the year 2019 and 20 in various fields of community service and youth development. Now I request the IT cell to connect us with the club activities report for the year 2019. Now I request Rosalind Grace to introduce our present president, Rotarian Shivashish Sur. Hello. I request Rotarian Rosalind Grace to unmute and introduce our present president. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A very good evening to all my fellow Rotarians. Today, it is my immense pleasure to read out about our new president on the 28th installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Cuttack Central, Cuttack. Rotarian Shibashis Sur, PHF, was born in 17th October 1974 in Cuttack. He is the son of late Salil Kumar Sur and Srimati Anjali Sur. They are from the family who were pioneered in construction, sawmill owners, automobile bodybuilders in the state of Odisha since independence. His father was a great social worker, helping several people in his life, and remained the president of Sheikh Bachar Puja Committee for 15 years. And during his period, Chandra was constructed. His grandfather, late Dhirendranath Sur, started the Durga Puja celebration in Sheikh Bachar and was also the president of Puja Committee, who also had built the State Secretariat building in Bhubaneswar and have taken up several important construction work in Odisha since independence. Rotarian Shibasi Sur has passed his schooling from Stuart School, Cuttack. He has studied +2 science in Stuart Science College, Cuttack. He has completed BCom honors from Ravenshaw University, Cuttack. He has completed his LLB from Uttal University. He has done his MBA from Fakir Mohan University, Balasore. He is into automobile bodybuilding, wholesale distribution business, and also construction, real estate business. He is the member of the managing committee of Ramakrishna Mission Bhubaneswar and Ramakrishna Mission Cuttack. He is also the member of the managing committee Mahamaya Upper Primary School, Cuttack, yesterday 1913. He joined in Rotary of Cuttack Central in the year 2012 and successfully managed the assignments which was assigned to him by the club. He is married to Srimati Nupur Sur, housewife, and blessed with 2 sons, Tridivesh in class 9 and Ishan in class 7. Both are studying in DPS Kalinga. With these words, I am introducing as a new president of Rotary Club of Cuttack Central. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Rosalind Grace, for introducing our president. It is the time for us to see the formal virtual installation ceremony from handing over, taking over by the new president. We'll show you the video of this time. नहीं वीडियो था So this morning we had the official handing over, taking over. The video clipping is being shown to you. So congratulations to Rotarian Shibashis Sur for taking over the charge from Rotarian Vidyut Kumari Lala. Now on behalf of the club, I request our President Rotarian Shibashis Sur to speak few words.
A very good evening to all.
Very good evening.
Honorable Chief Guest for the evening, Dr. Ms. Soumya Mishra, IPS Additional DG Police, all the PGG, AG, Rotarians, inner wheel members from different clubs, Rotactors, Interactors, guests, press and media. First of all, I would like to congratulate the outgoing President, Ms. Vidyut Kumar Lala, Secretary Dhananjay Moon, and all office bearers of 2019-20 for the commendable service they have done during this year, which has taken our club to a greater heights. I am fully honored to take the charge as the President of Rotary Club of Cuttack Central. Thank you all for reposing faith in me. I will try my best to take our club to the peak of the glory. Every year, at the turn of the wheel, we have new theme to work upon. Nevertheless, the object of Rotary remains the same. This year, our RI President, Holger Knack, has given us the theme Rotary Open Opportunities, a simple but meaningful theme. So friends, let us begin our journey together with optimism, courage of joy. We know this journey, like every other, will make what we make of it. Let's us approach the day, the week, and the year that lies ahead of us with the spirit of service and friendship that has inspired generation of Rotarians before us. We should keep in mind that our team is our strength, and we all must move forward holding our hands together. The magic of togetherness can move mountains, save lives, make a huge difference in the world. Together, we can feed the hungry, educate those who are in need, shelter the homeless. Together, we can stop pollution, save the environment, create history. Let's work as a team, face the challenge, and more on to the elite of success. Let us continue to serve the society with immense love and enthusiasm. The pandemic has rendered us to stay locked up in our homes, but that not allow the physical distance to stop us from reaching our goal. Come together digitally and bring this change. I always seek the guidance and help of my seniors. I pray to all the Almighty to shower His choice blessing on all of us so that we can lead our club in the right direction. Long life Rotary. Thank you everybody for your patience. I slept and dreamed that life is all joy. I woke and saw that life is all service. I served and I said service is joy.
Many, many
Thank
thanks, Mr. President.
Thank you, Rotarian Shivashish sir. And now
Thank you
it's
very much.
time that we must get introduced our new secretary, Rotarian Subhasis
Mr.
Pradhan. Subhas
Pradhan.
Pradhan. I request our Rotarian friend, Devashish Mitra, to kindly introduce our new secretary.
Good evening to all. Let me introduce our secretary, Rotarian Subhash Chandra Pradhan, was born on 6th March 1972 at Rachipur in the district of Jajpur to mother Srimati Sarojini Pradhan and Sri Babaji Charan Pradhan. Rotarian Pradhan did his schooling from Jujhipada High School at Jajpur Road. He is a graduate in law and passed MA in history from Utkal University. He started legal practice in the High Court of Odisha under the guidance of and supervision of Mr. S.M. Misra and Mr. Biranchi Narayan Mahanti, Advocate, High Court of Odisha, and now he is an active practitioner. Besides, he is the state executive member of Akhil Bharat Vivekananda Yuva Mahamandal, an all India organization for man making and character building, be and make, working for the people of India and also well connected with the activities of Ramakrishna Math Mission and Sarada Ramakrishna Mission. He is happily married to Rashmi Prabha, who is also an advocate and life member of Odisha High Court Bar Association. Blessed with two daughters, namely Sarda and Sudha. Rotarian Subhash Pradhan was earlier president of Rotary Club of Cuttack Central in the year 2013-14, and he is nominated by the members of our club for the same post in the year 2014 and 15. And again, the club trusted him as a secretary of glorious year of Silver Jubilee, that is in the year 2017-18. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Rotarian
Thank you very
Devashish
much.
Mitra, for introducing our present secretary. And now I request Madam Rotarian Nalini Mahapatra to introduce the Board of Directors and Office Bearers for the year 2020-21. Madam Nalini Mahapatra.
Mute.
Madam Nalini Mahapatra, please unmute yourself and speak out. Please unmute, madam, please unmute yourself.
Thank you, President. It is my proud privilege to introduce the Board of Directors for the year 2020-21. President, Subhasis Sood. Secretary, Past President, Subhash Chandra Pradhan. Immediate Past President, Ms. Vidut Kumari Lala. President-elect, Dhananjay Moon. President nominee, Dr. Debasis Acharya. Joint Secretary, Sunil Patnaik. Treasurer, Debasis Mitra. Club Trainer, Past President, Debendranath Padhi. Club Auditor and Chairman, Rotary Literacy Mission, Past President, Satyagopal Parija. Chairman, Club Administration, Past President, Prasant Kumar Mahapatra. Chairman, Membership, Past President, Deepak Kumar Mahanti. Chairman, Public Image, Past President, Prasanna Kumar Nanda. Club Service Project, Past President, Sudhakar Swain. Chairman, Rotary Foundation, Past President, Shomyakant Khandai. Chairman, Water Mission, Akshay Kumar Swain. Chairman, Sanitation Mission, Past President, Satyaranjan Pati. Chairman, Health Mission, Preventive, Dr. Ashish Kumar Barik. Chairman, Health Mission, Curative, Dr. Vishwajit De. Chairman, Environment Mission, Asit Kumar Padhi. Chairman, Disaster Management, Prakash Parekh. Chairman, Coordinator, Social Responsibility, myself, Nalini Mahapatra. Chairman, Youth Service, Past President, Siddharth Prasad Mishra. Co-Chairman, Club Administration, FC, Nath. Co-Chairman, Membership, Somendra Patnaik. Co-Chairman, Public Image, Susama Barik. Co-Chairman, Surface Project, Rosalind Grace. Co-Chairman, Rotary Foundation, Shiva Kumar Sahu. Co-Chairman, Rotary Indian Literacy Mission, Kailash Chandra Sahu. Sergeant at Arms, Niranjan Mishra. Club Advisor, Vibhudatta Das. Club Advisor, Shailesh Agarwal. Club Advisor, Jagannath Naik. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for nicely introducing the new board of directors for the year 2021. Now it's time that we should see the action plan for the Rotary year 2021, which will be presented before you through the PowerPoint presentation prepared by Rotarian PP Subhash Pradhan.
Hello.
So, on behalf of Subhash Babu, will you read it? Rotarian Subhash, will you read this? So, these are the plan for the club celebration of Annapurna Day, which has already been completed on 1st of July 2020. Plantation program has already been completed within the stipulated time, and also to organize awareness program on prevention and control of COVID-19, to conduct eye and dental checkup camps, to organize sibling distribution camp, to organize program for celebration of Kranti Divas, to organize program for celebration of Independence Day, to conduct health awareness program on eye care for all, to conduct nation building award program. To conduct free dental checkup camp, to organize rally on World Health Day, to observe Gandhi Jayanti, to conduct health awareness program, to conduct awareness on breast cancer, to organize rally on occasion of World Polio Day, to organize rally on AIDS Day, AIDS awareness, to organize awareness program on human rights, to organize awareness program on POCSO and child rights, to organize program for observation of Republic Day India, to organize program for distribution of certificate to third batch of girl students who will complete their tailoring training program in the CDA, to organize program for distribution of clothes to children at Wall of Kindness, which is a special program of the club, to organize program for career counseling to the student, to organize program for self-defense training to women and girls at different slums of Cuttack city, to conduct Jal Chhatra during the summer vacation. So these are the tentative plans which has been prepared by the club, and more will be added onto it as per the Rotary guidelines also. So with this word, we just inform you that these are the action plan for the club for the year 2021. Now it is time for us to introduce our new members who will be joining. 2 new members will be joining our club this year. And I take this opportunity to request Rotarian Dr. Devashish Acharya to kindly introduce our new friends who will be joining the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central.
Thank you. Thank you all. Very good evening to one and all. Respected guests and members present today evening. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to be given a chance of introducing new members to our Rotary Club of Cuttack Central family. On behalf of we all, I welcome them to our family. First, I want to introduce our new member, Mr. Saurabh Roy. He has become an LLB and he is from Radha Govinda Roy, grandson jewelry of Cuttack, from that family. And his profession is jewelry business. His date of birth is 3rd March. And the name of his spouse is Mrs. Soma Roy. And the date of marriage is 25th January. They are blessed with 2 kids, Subhalakshmi and Subhasis. The hobby of Mr. Saurabh Roy is music, movies, reading and traveling. The classification loan to him is gold merchant, and his proposer to our club is Rotarian Subhasis Tour. The second member of our club today will be Mr. Mahendra Kumar Swain. He is otherwise the engineer Mahendra Kumar Swain. His qualification is BTech, and he is from Cuttack, Ranihat Malisai, Bajarkawati Road, Cuttack. And his profession is timber business. His date of birth is 22nd September. And the name of his spouse is Mrs. Sarita Swain, and date of marriage is 21st June. They are being blessed by 1 kid, and name is Krishna. Classification loan to him is timber merchant, and the proposer of the engineer Mahendra Kumar Swain is Rotarian Subhasis. Thank you, and thank you all.
Thank you, Rotarian Devashish, for introducing our 2 esteemed members who will be joining from today. Thank you very much. Now it is our time to formally induct these 2 members, and on behalf of the club, I cordially welcome our PDG to Dilip Kumar Patnaik to kindly induct our 2 members. PDG Rotarian.
Thank you, Past President Bihu Babu, for this privilege. Good evening, friends, esteemed chief guest, and fellow Rotarians and friends of Rotary. It is indeed a great pleasure on my part to induct 2 new members can we have their snaps please on the screen? Can you see them?
Spotlight
The
these
two
two
new
members.
Or are they present?
Yeah, they are present. We will spotlight them so that we
Yeah,
can
so that people can know who are the people. And perhaps I know both of them, especially Saurav. I know very well from his childhood. His call name is perhaps Bapi. Anyway, friends,
Sorry,
Rotary
just
needs
give it a
member.
yes. Saurabh has come now.
Okay,
Yeah. Thank you. Welcome, Saurabh. Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.
And we request the other
It's great to be again in the club.
Thank you. Saurav, friends, as you know, Rotary needs more hands to serve. That's why we need more members in the club. A new member, when he comes to the clubs, he brings his own expertise, his own experience, his knowledge, his wisdom to the club, and simultaneously, and plus his vocation, what he does, and simultaneously he carries the Rotary ideals and whatever he learns from the club to his profession also. And that's why on occasions like this installation ceremony, we generally induct new members to increase our strength and serving hands. Friends, on behalf, I have great pleasure in inviting Sri Saurabh Roy and Mahendra Kumar Swai to Rotary Club of Cuttack Central today. On behalf of the President Shivashish Shur, and all the board members, I welcome them, and they have chosen you, Mr. Saurabh and Mr. Mahendra, on the basis of your qualification and service. You have been invited to join this club, and on their behalf, I have great pleasure in inducting you as member of Rotary Club of Cuttack Central today. And from today onwards, you will be known as Rotarian Saurabh Roy and Rotarian Mahendra Kumar Swai. And you will wear the lapel pin that will be given to you. And you must have been given certain tips and that you are going to follow up. That is, the first one is that you should attend your club meetings regularly. The second is that you must pay your club dues, whatever is the club dues, you must pay it timely and within the time to the secretary and the treasurer. And the third thing for which you have joined is to take up any of the activities that the president or the clubs assign to you with pleasure. With these three services, promises, I induct you as member of Rotary Club of Cuttack Central, and from now onwards, you are known as Rotarians, Saurabh and Rotarian Mahendra. I welcome you all, and I request your spouses to be very supportive and give you a helping hand in making Rotary much stronger. Thank you very much. And before I close, I must congratulate the IPP, Madam Vidyut Kumari Lala, who has done a tremendous job for the club as the leader. Initially, I knew her earlier also, but initially, what was expected of her, she has exceeded all the expectations of the Rotarians and the senior leaders. She has done wonderfully well. Madam, congratulations, my hearty congratulations to you. And I strongly believe with the support, the team you have in Cuttack Central, the team you have, the team spirit, all the support, Mr. Subhashish will get it, and he will also take the club to greater heights of glory and accomplishment. With these words, I congratulate all the club members and invite the new members to the club. Thank you very much.
On behalf of the club, I once again thank Rotarian PDG Dilip Kumar Patnaik for kindly doing a favor, consenting to be today in the Zoom meeting and very well introduce and advise the new members. Thank you for your experience and wonderful work. Thank you. We are obliged to you. Thank you. Now it is time for us to, as a customary in Rotary, to felicitate the Republic of India. So it's the time I request Rotarian Sunil Patnaik to felicitate the Republic of India and its president. May I request all of you to kindly stand up in respect of the country and the president. Rotarian Ashik Baris. Rotarian Ashish Kumar Bari. Dr. Ashish Kumar Bari.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Hello, it's audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, it is audible.
India, my motherland, is the largest democratic country. On this auspicious day, we must recognize our motherland and President Sri Ramnath Kovind ji. I request all to stand up and felicitate our motherland and President Sri Ramnath Kovind ji.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Dr. Ashish Kumar Barik, for doing the
Thank
favor.
you, sir. Thank you, sir, for this honor.
It is now time to felicitate to Rotary International and its president. May I now request Rotarian Satyagopal Parija to do the same.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Thank you, President, for giving me this opportunity. Rotary International is one of the largest non-profit organizations of the world. On this auspicious day, we must recognize our Rotary International and Rotary International President, Holger Max, who is from Germany. I request all to stand up and felicitate Rotary International and RI President. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you all very much.
Raise your hand. Thank you. Thank you, Rotarian Satyagopal Parija, for doing the favor. Now we are in the very important moment, and that is to introduce our chief guest and to honor her by giving her the prestige of Honorary Rotarians of our club for the year 2021, Dr. Mrs. Soumya Misra, IPS. So it's my request to Rotarian Soumyakant Khandai to kindly introduce Madam.
Thanks, Bibu, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce the pride of Orissa, the first lady IPS officer of our state, Dr. Soumya Misra. She joined IPS in the year 1994. Dr. Misra was born into an illustrious family of Cuttack. Her father, Professor Tattvakandar Misra, being the renowned professor of philosophy, a prolific writer, thinker, devoted disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Ma Sarada Devi, and Swami Vivekananda. And to mother, Srimati Nirmala Devi. After completion of her schooling and graduation in Cuttack, she did her post-graduation in Utkal University in sociology, and later on did a PhD in the same subject and a second post-graduation in police administration. Her first posting as an IPS officer was in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, as ASP. Then she was posted as Superintendent of Police in Vijayanagaram, DCP Cyberabad, SP Warangalabad, DIG of Police, ASSP, DIG and Visakhapatnam Range IG, IG of Police Law and Order, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, and was in forefront curbing Naxalite movements in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Later on, she became Special Secretary to the Government, Home Department, Secretary of Telangana, and Director General of Fire Department and IG of Police, CID TS Hyderabad. She has been awarded Antarik Suraksha Seva Padak in 2004 and Indian Police Medal in 2013. This year, she joined in Orissa on inter-cadre deputation from Telangana and is posted as Additional DG Fire Services, Home Guards, Orissa. She is married to Mr. Devabharata Kanta, a 1987 batch IS officer. She has a daughter, Rutesa, who is studying in Australia, and a son, Avijit, who passed his 10th exam this year. Her sister, Mrs. Tadasa Mitra, is also an IPS officer and posted as Additional DG Police in Ranchi in the state of Jharkhand. Her late brother, Amrita Misra, was an officer in the Intelligence Bureau of India. With this, I introduce our chief guest and welcome her to this virtual 28th installation ceremony of our club. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Soumyakant Khandai, for introducing our chief guest, Madam Dr. Soumya Misra, IPS. And now we'll welcome her. We have a video clipping. By the time she arrives, we'll show you the video clip. सांगा नाही सौम्यमित्र हां असलेलीच अचिंत अच्छा कौन आ रहा है अचिंत कोयला के कौन वो मैं लैपटॉप पर सौम्य अच्छा
The members of the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central are always at the forefront to render social service for empowering the needy and downtrodden people by giving their time, talent, and treasure. We are pleased to present before you the major activities of the club. On the 1st July 2019, the club observed the Annapurna Day at Ramakrishna Cottage, Bongali Sahi, Cuttack 9. Again, on 6th July 2019, a joint installation ceremony was organized by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central in the Stuart Science College Auditorium, Cuttack. Again, on 12th July 2019, a welcome ceremony of the club's Board of Directors and the Inner Wheel members was held at the Rotary Meeting Hall, Cuttack. A social forestry plantation program was held on the 14th July 2019 at the CDA, Cuttack, by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central in association with the DBSS, Cuttack. On the 19th, 20th and 22nd July 2019, the DBSS conducted an eye and dental checkup camp organized by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central at Stuart School, Cuttack. A fruit-bearing tree plantation program was held on the 20th July 2019 at the Kajjodi Vihar slum, Sector 7, CDA, Cuttack, in the presence of all the members of the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central, the members of the Board of Directors, DBSS, and the Unit of Scouts and Guides of Stuart School, Cuttack. On the 27th July 2019, a free eye and dental checkup camp was organized by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central at Kajjodi Vihar slum, Sector 7, CDA, Cuttack.
On the 4th of August 2019, a mega eye checkup camp was organized by Rotary Club of Cuttack Central at Arana Village, Jagat Singhpur, Cuttack. On the 9th of August 2019, Rotary Club of Cuttack Central celebrated Kranti Divas at Rotary Club of Cuttack Central Hall. On the 15th of August 2019, Rotary Club of Cuttack Central observed Independence Day with the children of Odisha Orphanage, Bidanasi, Cuttack. A workshop on eye care for all was conducted on the 20th of August 2019 in the Stuart School, Cuttack Auditorium.
On 6 September 2019, a Nation Builders Award program was organized by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central at Kanishka Palace, Kanika Road, Cuttack. The celebration of International Literacy Day was also held at Sarada Sikhya Niketan, Bhagatpur, Cuttack on the same day. A free health checkup camp was organized by DBSS Cuttack in association with the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central on 15 September 2019 at Kajjodi Vihar slum, Sector 7, CDA, Cuttack. A special fundraising charity show of the hit Odia film Jibanaro Cholla Pothe was organized by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central at the Brindavan Talkies on the 19th September 2019. On 29th September 2019, a rally on World Heart Day was organized by Rotary Club of Cuttack Central at Ramakrishna Cottage, Bongali Sahi, Cuttack.
On the 2nd October 2019, the club in association with the DBSS observed a program on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on the occasion of the 150th anniversary of Gandhi Jayanti. The children of the Kattajodi Vihar slum, Sector 7 CDA Cuttack, performed a street play titled Jolo Hi Jibana to bring about awareness among the people with regard to safe drinking water. The club conducted a global hand washing program on the 15th of October 2019 at Ganapati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Jhanjiri Mangala, Cuttack. On the 16th October, the club organized a one-day district literacy training seminar levels 1 and 2 in the Stuart School Auditorium, Cuttack. Rotarian PDG Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary, chief guest on the occasion, spoke on literacy as a goal. On the 18th of October 2019, a program on health awareness was planned and organized by the club at the Om Shri Saraswati Sishu Mandir, Kumbharasai, Cuttack. An awareness program on breast cancer was conducted by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central on the 19th of October 2019 at the SB Women's College, Cuttack. On the 21st of October 2019, the club conducted the installation ceremony of the Interact Club of New Stuart School, Cuttack at New Stuart School, Cuttack. A rally was organized on the 24th of October 2019 on the occasion of World Polio Day from Ramakrishna Cottage, Bangali Sahi, Cuttack.
A Jaladhara project was conducted on the 4th November 2019 by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central at Ramakrishna Cottage, Bangali Sahi, Cuttack. On 14th and 16th November 2019, the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central observed Children's Day at Saraswati Sikhya Niketan, Bhagatpur, Cuttack. The club also organized a district literacy seminar level 1 and 2 at the Stuart School Auditorium on 16 November 2019. On 18 November 2019, a health checkup camp was organized by the club at New Stuart School, Cuttack. An eye and dental checkup camp was organized by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central in the premises of New Stuart School, Cuttack for continuously 2 days on the 26th and 27th November 2019.
The Rotary Club of Cuttack Central organized an AIDS awareness rally on the 1st of December 2019 in the city of Cuttack. On the 3rd of December 2019, a dental and eye checkup camp was arranged by the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central at Ma Saraswati Sisu Mandira, Bhagatpur, Cuttack. The club also organized an awareness camp on human rights at the Dogarapada UP School. An eye checkup camp was conducted by the DBSs and the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central on the 14th of December 2019.
On 18 January 2020, the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central distributed blazers, clothes and blankets to needy people at the Kajori Vihar slum, Sector 7, CDA, Cuttack. On 20th January 2020, an installation ceremony of the Interact Club of Stuart School, Cuttack was held at the Stuart School, Cuttack Auditorium. On 21st January 2020, the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central organized an awareness workshop on POXO and child rights at the Kajori Vihar slum, Sector 7, CDA, Cuttack. On the 23rd January 2020, the club observed Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti at the Kajori Vihar slum, Sector 7, CDA, Cuttack, with the children of the area. On 25th January 2020, the club organized a festival of joy to acknowledge and recognize the Rotarians and eminent social workers for their outstanding achievements. They were honored at the function conducted in the Stuart School, Cuttack Auditorium. Dr. Sasmit Patro, member of the Rajya Sabha, was the chief guest, and former Honorable Justice A.S. Naidu was the guest of honor. On 26 January 2020, Rotary Club of Cuttack Central celebrated Republic Day of India at the Orissa Children's Orphanage, that is Anthony's Home, Biranasi, Cuttack.
The district governor, Rotarian Debashish Mishra, visited our club on the 2nd of February 2020. He visited our Skill Development Center, Tailoring Training Center at the Satichora slum, and also inaugurated the Adult Literary Center at the Katjodi Vihar slum at the CDA.
Our club celebrated its Charter Day on 6th March 2020. Rotarian Gauri Mohan Kaur, our Charter Secretary, was the chief guest on the occasion. In this meeting, the Charter was presented to our newly started Interact Club of Stuart School, Cuttack. On behalf of the Principal FC North and Coordinator Mrs. D. Martina, the teacher in charge, Mrs. Archana Das Kanango, received the said certificate.
Our club observed International Women's Day jointly with the Inner Wheel Club, YWCA, WFCS, Utkala Mahila Surakhya Samiti, the Women's Wing of the Odisha Surakhya Samiti, Nari Seva Sangha, DBSS, the diocesan institutions, and many other women's organizations on the 7th of March 2020. More than 500 women participated in the rally that started from Stuart School, Cuttack, to the Gopabandhu Park and the Samaj office.
Our club, in collaboration with the DBSS, handed out over 200 dry food packets rations with masks, soap and glucose to the Deputy Commissioner CMC, Ms. Sanjibita Roy, for the needy people of Cuttack City on 15th April 2020 in the presence of the DBSS Secretary Mr. Biswaranjan Mahanti and past President Rotarian Satya Gopal Parija.
Our club, in a joint venture with the DBSS, donated food material that included 1 quintal rice, 25 kg dal, 25 kg chuda, 25 kg sugar, biscuits and masks to the Odisha orphanage during the Corona lockdown period from the 19th April 2020.
Our club, along with the DBSS, organized different awareness programs to stop the spread of corona in various slum areas like Mundasahi, Katachori Bihar, Tarini Biharam, etc. was carried out in the presence of the IIC Sector 7 CDA Cuttack, CMC coordinators, the club and DBSS members.
The Wall of Kindness program organized at Mundasahi CDA Cuttack on the 15th of May 2020 was a joint effort of the Rotary Club Central and the DBSS. More than 100 saris and 150 sets of kids' wear were distributed among the inhabitants.
We distributed 5 hand sanitizing machines with sanitizers and rotary masks at the Ram Krishna Mission, Matha, Lalbagh Police Station, Bakshi Bazar, Mahila Thana, Stuart School Cuttack and New Stuart School Cuttack in the presence of the DGE, Mr. Somya Ranjan Mishra and the club members.
A 2-day virtual training and awareness program on the prevention of the spread of coronavirus was organized on the 1st and 2nd of June 2020 for the Twin Cities school teachers and staff, inaugurated by Rotary DG Debashish Mishra, the CMC Deputy Commissioner Ms. Sanjibita Roy, Rotarian Advocate B.D. Das, Dr. Mohua Biswas, Reverend Saurav Nag and Mrs. Diptimai Khuntia were the resource persons. This social awareness program was coordinated by the DBSS Secretary Mr. Biswaranjan Mahanti and Rotarian past President Satya Gopal Parija. More than 500 teachers and staff members joined the program.
India's first ever online spelling bee competition was organized for over 1,000 students of the Twin Cities school students from classes 5 to 10. Quizmaster FC North and coordinators Mrs. D. Martina and Mrs. Sunita North successfully conducted the said program.
With all these noble and selfless activities under their belt, this is hardly the end of the journey for the extremely active and industrious members of the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central. Their endless service to the poor and needy continues with a chain of programs lined up. Finally, with hearty congratulations and best wishes to all our Rotarians for their gracious initiatives and never-ending endeavors, I bring this report to an end. Thank you.
Madam, now we request Madam Dr. Mrs. Soumya Mishra, IPS, to kindly speak few words to encourage the Rotary Club. Madam Mishra.
Good evening. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Good evening, the office bearers and the members of Rotary Cuttack. It is indeed an honor and privilege to be talking to you today. I am indeed very happy to have met you, I think yesterday when you came to my office. And I must express my thanks for choosing me to become the honorary member of your club. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the president, Shri Sebastis Sur, and the secretary, Subhash Pradhan, for taking up this team, and I wish them and the entire team all success. I do hope that you will live up to the tradition of Rotary Club and do a lot of social work as you have always done. My association with the Rotary Club has been quite old. In fact, in the last 26 years of my service, I have been associated with Rotary Club on a number of occasions. I especially remember during my tenure as SP Vizianagaram, we had a very fruitful association of visiting very remote rural areas and tribal areas and doing a lot of activity. Most of it was distribution of various things, starting from clothes and food to providing medical assistance. And during those times, it was in 2001 and 2, these areas, Vizianagaram and Odisha border areas, were highly affected by extremist activities, by Naxalites. So these efforts by the Rotary Club as well as with the police department together brought us quite close to the people, and we were able to go and connect with the people in those areas, especially those areas where the extremists held sway during that time. And even when I was in Warangal and later in Visakhapatnam also, we have had many fruitful activities together. Warangal especially, even now many of the doctors of Hyderabad and around Telangana remember how we used to hold huge mega medical camps, and from eye operation to many other important surgeries we had detected during our camps and later followed up and done. So Rotary Club is of course known for its medical assistance to people. You have had a very important role to play in eradication of polio, everyone knows. So I'm sure Rotary Cuttack would also be doing a lot of social service, and you would also be doing a large number of activities which would be beneficial to the people. And especially nowadays when we are reeling under the pandemic, COVID-19, I'm sure you have your strategies in place, and you would be working them out as the year unfolds, as the time starts for you all. But I would also like to offer my help from the police department as well as from the fire department, that if at all you take up any activities to fight coronavirus, to fight COVID-19, and to make people aware or to give them any sort of medical and other help, I will certainly be happy to join with you and fight with you, along with you. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. And I once again congratulate the new team and hope your tenure will be very successful and you will take the Rotary Cuttack Club to greater heights of achievement. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam, for your encouraging words and especially the past experience that the Rotary Club in Andhra Pradesh. And we'll certainly have the privilege to have you in our activities. We can also do doing good to the people together working with the department as far as possible. Thank you for your assurance. this thing, and it's the time now to request the PDG Sivabrata Das to kindly honor and induct our honorary Rotarian, Mrs. Soumya Misra, IPS. May I request PDG Sivabrata Das, if you are present, kindly unmute and.
Okay, sorry. I'm really thankful to Rotary Club of Cuttack Central, the president and all its members for giving me this opportunity to induct our chief guest, Dr. Mrs. Soumya Misra, IPS, to Rotary Club of Cuttack Central. But before doing so, I would like to speak a few words which is generally meant for Madam. But I don't think this is necessary because she has, as I heard her, she has a long association with Rotary activities. But I think still it will perhaps be helpful to her to know the Rotary, the ambit of Rotary and all that we are doing for the good of this society. Rotary, in short, I will tell, is a worldwide network of inspired individuals who translate their passion into relevant social causes to change lives of the community. Our motto, there are two mottos. One is service above self, and the second is one profits most who serves best. With these words, I think I can introduce Rotary to Madam because she is well aware about the activities of Rotary. And going back to my responsibility of inducting her as the honorary member, before doing so, I would like to say that honorary membership is generally bestowed on persons who have distinguished themselves by meritorious service in the furtherance of Rotary ideals and comfort and friends of Rotary for their support to Rotary cause, which is doing good in the world. Under this background, I think I appreciate the decision of Rotary Club of Cuttack Central to induct Madam as an honorary member who perhaps suits it the most. Perhaps there could not have been any other better person to be inducted as the honorary member. With these words, I, on behalf of the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central, induct Madam Mrs. Soumya Misra, IPS, as an honorary member into Rotary Club of Cuttack Central. While doing so, I would like to inform Madam that as an honorary member, you are entitled to attend all meetings of the club and others. You can put up the RI emblem, badges and other insignia and enjoy all other privileges of the club other than the right to vote and right to hold any office within the club. Thanks a lot. I hope, Madam, you will be a source of inspiration to not only Rotary Club of Cuttack Central, but the Rotary fraternity as such. With these words, I again induct you as a honorary member of Cuttack Central. Thanks a lot.
Rotarian PDG Sivabrata Das for inducting Madam Dr. Soumya Misra as the honorary member of Rotary Club of Cuttack Central for the year 2020-21. Thank you very much, sir. We are obliged to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now it's the time that we recognize the services of the members of Rotary Club, and I can say that our president, Rotarian Bidut Kumari Lala, has designed an e-certificate for all the Rotarians for their outstanding contribution in the field of community service and youth service. May I request Rotarian Moon to kindly read out that and pass it on email right now to all the members, e-certificate. Thank you.
Good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen, honorable members, Rotaractors and Interactors. We have achieved a lot during the Rotary year 2019-2020 by grace of God. unconditional support and participation of all members of our club, we are able to get a special place in the Rotary District C262. We have executed more than 40 projects, conduct one district level seminar, and many more. Your outstanding, commendable, and dedicated service has enabled our club to receive the Rotary International citation. As a token of love, the Rotary Club of Cuttack Central hereby acknowledge a certificate of appreciation to each and every member of our club. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Mund. And because of the crisis of pandemic corona, we are not able to physically hand over the certificate, but we request our IT cell of the club to immediately send through email to all our club members, which can be printed out, kept in their files. Thank you very much, sir. And it is now the time we must thank all our members for sparing their precious time, especially the chief guest, because of her busy schedule. Also, she is present here, and also the PDG Dilip Kumar Patnaik, PDG Sivabrata Das, our past president Rotarian Bidut Kumari Lala, and all the office bearers of 2020-21. We want to thank them formally. So on behalf of the club, I request Rotarian past president Advocate Prasann Kumar Nanda to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening. Thank you. Being that is on this digital platform, the members of the club, the Honorable President of this newly taken over President Shubhashish School, and all of the members, though it is customary to give vote of thanks, but today's meeting is exceptional because of our last 28 years. This particular meeting will be remembered because in a digital platform, sitting at different places, we are conducting this meeting successfully, and we are at the end of it. So I'm thankful to our chief guest, Dr. Soumya Mishra, the IPS, Additional DG of Police, being the first IPS officer from our state, and we are proud of you in that line. We are also proud that you be the chief guest and addressed us. So also, I am also most thankful to you because you have accepted our request for the honor to be the honorary member of our club for this year. I am also thankful to the PDG Dilip Kumar Patnaik being inducting our new members. I am also thankful to PDG Rotarian Sivabrata Das into inducting our honorary Rotarian. I am also thankful to the outgoing president who has done a wonderful work for the year, that is Srimati Rotarian Bidut Lala, also his team, and also the new team. I'm thankful to all the members of our club. I'm thankful to all the Inner Wheel members. I'm also thankful to all the visiting Rotarians that are on this digital platform. I'm also thankful to the new members, those who have inducted and be a part of the Rotary. Also, with this, I give you to all of you, I give a vote of thanks formally, and I expect that the new year, this year ahead, will be an example. Because the last year that was said, it was connecting Rotary. So now it's a time to connect, and we will thank you very much to all to giving this up. Thank you.
For proposing the vote of thanks, and certainly we will connect ourselves through electronics, digital media. Nothing can prevent us from connecting. So one door is closed by Corona, other doors are open. We'll get connected. Thank you very much. Now it's time. I request Rotarian Samar Pramanik, Sergeant at Arms, to give the statistic of the club today, attendance statistic. Rotarian Samar Pramanik.
Very good evening to all present on this 28th installation ceremony done virtually, which includes members of the Rotary Club Cuttack Central, visiting Rotarians, and members of the Inner Wheel, visiting members of Inner Wheel, Rotractors, Interactors, and also our new members. Today's statistics on this meeting stands at 65. The present statistics for today's meeting stands at 65. Thank you.
No, statistics
90. Present is 65, but it is 90.
Thank you, Rotarian Pramanik, for giving us the statistic of the club, attendance statistic. Now it is time. I request our President, Rotarian Sivasis Sur, to adjourn the meeting formally. Rotarian Sivasis Sur.
The meeting is adjourned.
Thank you. May I request our IT cell to please steam up the Bande Utkala Janani. Will stand up and sing along with the song Bande Utkala Janani. This is the last song of this session. Thank you. May I request all members to kindly stand in respect of the state of Odisha. Sing Bande Utkala Janani.
Bande Utkala Janani. Bande Utkala Janani. Bande Utkala Janani. Bande Utkala Janani. Bande Utkala Janani. Charu hasamai, charu hasamai, janani, janani, janani. Bande Utkala Janani. Bande Utkala Janani. Utapayodhi bigauta sarira, talatamaala sushobhita tira, supratati nikula sikara samira, janani, janani, janani. Bande Utkala Janani. Bande Utkala Janani. घन घन वन भूमि राजित अंगे, नीला भूधर माला साजित रंगे, काला काला मुखरित चारु विहंगे, जननी जननी जननी. बंदे उत्कला जननी. बंदे उत्कला जननी. Bande Utkala Janani, Janani.
Thank you again to all Rotarians, guests, inner wheel members, Rotractors, interactors, and chief guests. We thank you all again for being with us, having patience for 1.5 hours to be in the Zoom. Thank you everybody who have supported in this. Thank you. We end the meeting here. Thank you very much.
Congratulations and thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much.
Vivo,
Thank you all.
Vivo. Ahora amar meeting आरंभ कर